How to log into your Outlook account on your mobile device. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can log into your Outlook account from your mobile device. So to do that, first of all, go to your Play Store or App Store, and then in the search bar type in Outlook. Now download the Microsoft Outlook app, and once it's downloaded, open it. Now it'll take you to this page where you'll have to tap on the option Add Account. Now enter your Outlook email address. After that, tap on Continue. Now it'll ask you to enter your password. But in case you don't remember your password, you can reset it by tapping the option Forgot Password. After that, it'll ask you to verify your identity on the web. So if you tap on Sign In and follow all the steps provided over there, you'll be successfully able to reset your password. And now once you've resetted your password, simply enter it. Now once you've entered your password, tap on Sign In. And now it'll ask you whether you want to add another account or not, so simply tap on Maybe Later. Now tap Next, Accept, and then tap on Continue to Outlook. And there you have it. You have successfully logged into your Outlook account from your mobile device. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.